Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to design a professional-looking book cover right inside Figma without needing to start from scratch. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create a custom, eye-catching book cover using templates and Figma's powerful design tools. This is perfect whether you're publishing your own book, helping out a friend, or just looking to level up your graphic design skills. Let's dive right in. First off, while you absolutely can start designing a book cover from a completely blank canvas, I highly recommend taking advantage of Figma's templates and built-in resources, especially if you want to save time and see some great design ideas in action. Think of it like having a head start. You're not cheating, you're working smarter. Open up Figma and look for the section called Templates and Tools. This is where you'll find a wide range of ready-made designs created by professionals. In the search bar, type in book cover. You'll see a ton of pre-made book cover templates pop up. Take a minute to scroll through and find one that matches the vibe of your book. Maybe you want something bold and modern, or perhaps something more classic and understated. Don't rush this step. Finding the right foundation can make all the difference. Once you spot a template you like, go ahead and select it. Click Open in Figma. This will pull the whole book cover template right into your workspace, ready to be customized. Here, where the fun begins, think of this template as your blank slate that's already halfway to looking amazing. Now start customizing the cover to make it your own. The first thing you'll want to do is change the title and author name. Just double-click the text boxes and type in your own information. If you're unsure about fonts or font sizes, try to stick with what the template uses at first. These choices are usually made by designers who know what works well for covers in terms of readability and balance. Next, update the images or graphics to better fit your book's subject or mood. You can do this by selecting the existing images and hitting Replace Image, or simply deleting them and dragging in new ones from your computer. If you don't have your own artwork or photos, Figma integrates with resources like Unsplash, so you can quickly look for high-quality images right inside the editor. Remember, the imagery on your cover is the first thing people notice. It's like the storefront window to your book. Choose something that hints at your story or theme, or that catches the eye with bold colors or interesting shapes. Play around with color choices if you like. Just click on the background or any colored element and select a new color from the palette. If you want your cover to pop on a screen or bookshelf, don't be afraid to try out unexpected color combinations. Also, consider adding little finishing touches, like subtle textures, a drop shadow under your text, or even a small logo if you're branding your work. Once everything looks good, zoom out and review the overall cover. Ask yourself, does this reflect your book? Is everything readable at a glance? Would you pick this book up if you saw it on a shelf? This second look is key. A cover is both a design piece and a marketing tool, and honestly, that's it. By using templates and customizing them thoughtfully, you've just created an awesome book cover in Figma without the typical stress and guesswork. If any step takes a little longer, don't worry, that's just part of the creative process. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another design project you want to see. And of course, make sure to subscribe for more easy, practical tutorials like this one. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.